Good evening, everyone. This is Henry Gamble with SimplerOptions.com, and in tonight's free video, we're starting off looking at SPX. And the main theme with the analysis that I'm going to run through tonight is these three different charts that we're going to go over. I think all have good opportunity to the long side, but they are names that I think you all want to trade in slightly different ways. So when I look at SPX, I don't know that I'm getting it's not to say that I'm buying at a great point here necessarily, but with these old lifetime highs from back here in January, only just so close to where we're currently trading, I can't help but think that we're going to come up there and test those. So in that way of thinking, I think that 72.87 high is where we are headed, and then after that, the extension at 28.80 and around the options market, I think there's a couple creative ways to look at playing that. Now, if that's not necessarily where you would like to participate, there are two other standout stocks that I think also have very good opportunity. One of them is Roku, and Roku had an excellent earnings report. This is a similar situation where if you come back and look at this far back enough in time, trading here at these lifetime highs is a beneficial factor for the stock. Obviously, it's not coming in and saying that you're buying it at a discount, but these guys are doing a lot of things right, and I think that this is another spot that you could pursue bullish opportunities. I'm doing this one a little bit differently than I'm doing SPX, but it's got a good shot to the long side. And then another that has an active signal and will hopefully kind of bring this idea full circle is IDXX. Now, I mention this because in a name like Roku, you have excellent volume. You've got a lot that you can work with. And IDXX, not so much. This is a little bit thinner name, and the way that you want to look at playing this as far as your strategy is concerned would be a little different than Roku, and still even a little different yet from what we're looking at in SPX. So I think all three of them are going to provide good bullish opportunities, and the free webinar that John and Danielle are doing tomorrow will be an excellent opportunity to dive into this way of thinking. Now, this is a free webinar that's going to be at 7 p.m. Central Time, but it goes to this point in saying, these are all bullish setups, but depending on how you approach it and the trading plan you've laid out for yourself that fits your personality will make all the difference in whether or not you have success in trading these types of setups. So I'm looking forward to it. I think this type of discussion has always been very helpful for me, and I'm looking forward to it as well. So that'll be tomorrow at 7 p.m. Central. I hope to see you guys there.